Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. You're welcome to this special series on air fryer recipes. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Today's recipe is oat bread. Here are the ingredients: 2 cups of oats, half cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, half cup of coconut flakes, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, measuring cup for water. Here is our mixing bowl. We have our baking pan as well. We will grind the oats in the mixer to obtain the powder form. We will do the grinding 1 cup at a time. This is the 2nd cup. Measure 1 cup of water to the empty mixing bowl. Add the milk. Mix together. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix properly. Then pour the oats flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. Mix to combine. Add the vegetable oil. Honey will be the next. Use the same 1/4 cup. I made sure I measure the oil first so that the honey can come out of the cup easily, leaving the cup clean. Mix again. Grease the pan properly. You can use vegetable oil, you can use your margarine. Add the coconut flakes. I'm using the residues I got from making coconut milk some times ago, which I kept in the freezer. The milk was not totally gleaned or extracted because the coconut was not smoothly blended. So I still have some chunks of coconut and some nutrients in the residue. Add the sesame seeds. Keep folding the batter in and out with your spatula until all the ingredients are well combined. Pour the batter into the pan. It is now ready to go into the air fryer. The pan does not fit perfectly into the air fryer, so we may not have a perfect rectangular shape of the bread. Set it to the cake baking function on your air fryer and you are good. The bake function here reads 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you bring it out. Normally, if you dip a toothpick into it or you cut it across with a knife, in any case, if any of this comes out clean, it means it is well baked and well done. If you want a browning on the reverse side, I mean the bottom, simply turn it with the bottom facing up and put it back into the air fryer for 10 minutes. Let's talk about the baking pan. I know that there are specifications for their use and that about 220 degrees Celsius should not be exceeded while heating. Always check the manufacturer's specifications. But I feel to be on the safer side, you can just go for the stainless steel pans. What's your take on the use of silicone pans for baking? Please let's know in the comments below. Look at the crunchiness on top. Look at the sesame seeds. Look at the way the coconuts are sandwiched in the bread. Thank you for watching this air fryer recipe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Simply tap the subscribe button if you've not done so, and I really can't wait to see you in a future video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.